Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's June the 3rd, 2023. We're going to talk about Stellar real quick to see if the price is going to continue to catapult higher in price. You guys can actually tell that I do have a price prediction on this chart for Stellar. You guys can see that we've been anticipating the price to go down in Stellar, and at some point, the market will let you know whether or not you're still sitting on the right side or you're on the wrong side. And currently, for what I'm seeing here on this particular price chart, I'm on the wrong side of the market in Stellar. So I actually need to cut this price prediction out the way. But first, let me tell you that there's still a chance that this price prediction could be accurate. I have an ultimate area of loss right there around 9.5 cents, right? That area is where I'm pinpointing that the sellers will begin to enter the market. You can see it here today that we're currently seeing some more weakness or at least lack of interest to push this price up in Stellar. Now, should we let this play go of us looking for Stellar to go lower and expect the price to continue to catapult? Because this price definitely is trending. Okay, the market is bullish in Stellar. It is what it is. So from what I'm getting, I do need to let this price prediction go. So if I were to get out the market now in Stellar, we will be down 5.25%. I am not sure if I told you on our last video that we had a price target right there around 8.5 cents, because if so, we was able to profit just a little bit. Right here on the 24th and the 25th of May. So let's see what that was. So that's around 2.84% profit there. But needless to say, let's just go ahead and cut this out the way. And I wanted to show you that on these particular trading days right here, May 30th, and then on the 31st of May, you guys can see that the volume definitely increased. Okay, you guys can see that. We need to talk about what happened on this particular day for Stellar, because obviously the market was more active. The volume depicts how active the market is. And it was real active on the 30th and a little bit less on the 31st, but the market action also pushed price up. So that's a pretty good signal. So here's Stellar on the 2-day chart. Okay, in the next 8 hours and 13 minutes, this particular 2-day price bar needs to close higher than the previous one, because it tells us that the market bought whoever sold their Stellar in the market. Okay, so far that is the case, and so far as of this recording, we need to be anticipating that price of Stellar is going to continue to go higher. Now the problem that I'm seeing for this market to really catapult in Stellar is right here. This is an area of resistance, just like on my last price prediction. This is where the sellers are. So I still want us to be cautious as to how bullish the market in Stellar really is, because it may not be that bullish at all. Now take a look at this on the 5-day chart. Okay, so all in all, the market is not extremely bullish. It's not extremely bearish. This is just a simple tradable market. This is a market to where you don't want to hold it for the long term, because you have no idea if the market is truly trending higher or is it really trending lower. We're just consolidating as of this particular moment. Now you guys may actually tell though that Stellar could actually be trending in the long term. Look at that. And the market currently is bouncing off of this trend line, which I've just created. I like that. I really do like that. So let's go ahead and keep that there. So let's look at this on the weekly chart real quick. Okay, we have a day and 9 hours left. The market currently on this weekly price bar does look decent. It looks healthy. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Again, it's healthy. Here it is on the 3 weeks. Let's look at this on the monthly chart. Okay, so right here for the month of May, this is what I termed a probable precursor of strength, meaning for the month of June, okay, on the conclusion of the month of June, if this price closed higher than the previous close in the month of May, then definitely the buyers bought in May, and you want to continue to be bullish in this cryptocurrency. Okay, so I am done. I think you guys got the gist of what I'm looking forward to into the market in Stellar. We are going to play some slight movement to the upside. I'm not going to be overly bullish just yet, but I am going to look for the market in Stellar to give us a slight increase to see price to go up. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart and I'll be done. Let you all go. And then we're going to switch this over on the daily chart, because I like to keep this these price predictions off of a daily market. And we're going to continue to be bullish into this particular cryptocurrency as long as it continues to hold 0.08 cents. Let's just say 8.5 cents there. And I think you guys can see our first target for Stellar is going to be around this particular area, which is around 0.096. That's 3.89% move higher there. That's our first target. Okay, so let me bring the magnifier up. That's our first target, gives us 3.89% there, 0.096. And if the market continues to be bullish, then we're going to bring the next area of target right there around 0.098 or even a dime, which gives us 8.32% move higher right there around 10 cents. Okay, so I am done. Let me go ahead and put that back. We're going to look forward to the price in Stellar to give us some movement higher. Catapult, I'm not going to necessarily say that, but definitely from what we've noticed on the chart thus far today is telling us that the greater probability of where price is trying to go is higher. So give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.